Hey, this is Andy with North Cascades Harley-Davidson and Royal Enfield Northwest. And today I'm going to show you the difference between a stock 650 twin exhaust and the new S&S Slip-Ons. Alright, let's take a look at the bikes. So here we have the INT 650 in Mark III, which is the black, and Silver Spectre, which is the silver, obviously. So let's fire it up and kind of see what it sounds like. You can find both the Interceptor and the GT here at North Cascades Harley-Davidson and Royal Enfield Northwest. Thanks, and see you next time.